So hi everyone, I am really excited about today's video because it's about these super chic lanterns that you can easily make at home in no time whatsoever. So let's get started. The things you will need for this DIY is some sort of wire which you can turn, some spray paint of whichever color you want, scissors, and of course some straws. Now you will need 10 pieces of straws. I've painted mine black so that you can see the video easily and understand what I'm doing. And out of those 10, you need to cut 5 into half. Now take 5 of the small pieces and pass your wire through it. And then in the end, tie the wire together to form a pentagon. And now we'll start making a 5-sided pyramid by making adjacent triangles on top of the pentagon like this. You can see I'm just inserting the straws in the wire and tying it on the sides to keep the triangle in place. Now if you run out of wire, you can just tie it on the top or whichever corner and then take a new piece of wire and pass it through a straw and then start tying your straws again. And so one side of our lantern is ready. Now we are going to repeat the same procedure with the big straws on the other side. So again, take a piece of big wire, insert it through any of the straws that are already in place, and then tie one end to the corner. Now using the other side of the wire, I'm going to start inserting the big straws, the 5 that were left, and start making the same sort of pentagon structure that we made on the other side. And whenever you want, you can pass the wire from a straw and then reach the other corner. So here I needed to reach this corner, so I've inserted the straw here. And now I'm going to take the last big straw and tie it to the top like this, and my pentagon on this side is also ready. And now if you want, you can leave the lantern as is if you like this finish. Otherwise, you can take a little bit of glue in your glue gun and then put it on the corners where all the wires are to hide them. Now once it's a little dry or a little less hot, you can just press it like this. And then go ahead and spray paint the whole thing. I'm just spray painting the parts where I put glue. And yay, your lantern is ready. I went ahead and made a couple of these to hang them high and low, and I really like how it has turned out. It looks super chic. Since I was totally hooked, I went ahead and made 2 more lanterns in different shapes, and if you guys want me to make a video on any of these 2, please leave it in the comment box below and I will do that for you guys. As always, like, subscribe and share my video with all your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.